Are you ready to elevate your audio experience in 2024? Meet the JBL Live Beam 3 earbuds that are setting new standards for innovation and style. If you've been hunting for a fresh alternative to the Apple AirPods Pro, these might just be your next big find. With their cutting-edge design, advanced features, and unique options that you won't find elsewhere, the JBL Live Beam 3 could be your perfect sound investment. Let's jump in. First up, let's talk design. The JBL Live Beam 3 isn't just another pair of earbuds. With a design that turns heads and a unique charging case that stands out, these earbuds are built to impress. The buds have a classic stem design, but with a short nozzle that many users find enhances comfort. However, if you've got smaller or uniquely shaped ears, you might need to play around with the different ear tip sizes to get that perfect fit. Trust me, it's worth the effort. Now, let's connect the dots with the connection options. These earbuds come with Bluetooth 5.3, which means crystal clear audio and efficient power use. Plus, they support a range of codecs like SBC, AAC, LDAC, and LC3. And here's a cool feature: multi-point connectivity. You can effortlessly switch between your phone and laptop without missing a beat. Pretty neat, right? Next, let's dive into the JBL App, the command center for the Live Beam 3. This app isn't just an accessory, it's packed with features. You've got EQ presets, a 10-band equalizer, JBL spatial audio with head tracking, and control over active noise cancellation, ANC, and ambient sound modes. Not a fan of apps? No worries, the charging case has some controls built right in for your convenience. Battery life is crucial, and the JBL Live Beam 3 doesn't disappoint. You're looking at about 8 hours and 14 minutes of playtime. While that might not cover a long-haul flight, the quick charge feature is a game-changer. Just 10 minutes of charging gives you around 4 hours of listening time, and the case supports wireless charging, perfect for those on-the-go moments. The JBL Live Beam 3 features a microphone with strong noise rejection, which should help make calls clearer in noisy environments. Initial feedback is positive, indicating that your voice will come through well even on busy streets or in crowded places. While broader user reviews are still incoming, the early impressions suggest effective call quality with minimal background interference. The JBL Live Beam 3's active noise cancellation reduces about 75% of external noise, making it effective for moderate noise environments like public transport or open offices. It's not as advanced as top-tier models from Sony or Bose, but it offers solid performance for its price and class. Now, let's get to the good stuff: sound quality. The JBL Live Beam 3 excels here with a perfect 5 in timbre. The audio experience is rich and immersive, with powerful bass and bright highs. If you love deep, punchy bass and sparkling highs, these earbuds will blow you away. Just note, there's a slight dip in mid-range frequencies. At $199.95, the JBL Live Beam 3 offers a strong feature set and performance. Alternatives like the Nothing Ear may have unique features, but they might not match the Live Beam 3's overall performance and value. Consider your priorities to see if the Live Beam 3 fits your needs best. If you want earbuds with a mix of advanced features and solid performance, the JBL Live Beam 3 is worth considering. They provide quality sound and useful features like multi-point connectivity. Just ensure they fit comfortably before buying. If they match your needs, they're a great choice. And that's a wrap on our JBL Live Beam 3 review. If you enjoyed this video and want more tech insights, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications. I'm Kafayat, and from all of us at Sound Guys, happy listening. Catch you in the next video.